Welcome back everybody to an episode of Boosted 2000. We got loads going on today. I'm going to quickly do the track rod end though on my Escort. I'm going to show you how I do it in a quick time lapse. Not going to bore you with it. Get on to get some tracking done. Let's have a look at this Etype Jag. Let's see where we are in a week. Did I have my tyres sorted? You'll soon see later. And anyhow, just a bit of me rambling on. But I'll see you soon. Rusty ramps back out once again. Thank you, Jenny. Slackened off a wheel nuts already. So Chelsea is on her way home. So the test is, can I get this up in the air and done by the time she comes home to do her brakes? And this is why I'm doing it. Difficult to slow down. Lots of movement here. Have a quick look at this angle. Yeah, I'm sure you can see that now. What we do, a 22 on this. We slacken her off with one crack. Whilst this is still connected here. Crack this off, take it back half a turn, undo this, tap that out and pull this off and then swap it out. This is undone. This is a 17mm on here. What actually happened is this was spinning, so I give that 2 taps of a mallet and that kind of then holds that down. Okay, so now that is out. So to get this out, we need to tap this here and then just pry this out. This is damaged, so it doesn't really matter if we get it out this way or whatever. Okay, so it's quite difficult to actually show the damage of this, but it's kind of seized in one place. And then look at that. It's rock solid there. There's no movement, and then it's just blown. It's not good. So that's junk. Hit my wheels. So old part, new part, make sure you have the correct ones, and it's a simple process then of literally just twisting this back on. Done. Big shout out to Damien at DGS Tyres. If you remember, he sorted out the tyres on my Escort literally a few hours before the wedding, so thanks for coming in today on this day off to do this for me. I'll show some pictures and some videos of the actual clips of the tyres that are coming off. He's also going to do my track and taking care of me, and apparently these 20-inch tyres are a nightmare to work on.
That's why
3 days later.
Okie dokie, it is Tuesday morning. I have done about 100 miles and I've still not broken down. It is raining out and the weather is horrific. I still not had my tracking done. Obviously some of my miles weren't done before I had my tyres, obviously, so the tracking is not too bad. Wheels out a little bit. I went yesterday to a garage near where I work, purely because that's where I work and someone recommended it. Simon's Tyre Garage in Swansea, Naplands. They were going to do me a super deal, sort me out. Nice little bit of cash just to do a front too. Got the car to go there. They can't get their tracking things on. So, noisy, innit? So, going back to my one and only trusty guys who've always looked after me, which is A&S in Neath. Okay, so big shout out, thank you to Tony and Shane Tony also runs along left already, done loads of stainless steel welding for me. They've always looked after me for tyres. So yeah, I'm heading down there now. But yeah, the car drives so much better. One thing I did notice was, I don't know how this happened because I'm 110% sure that I ordered the right tyres. I ordered 245 30/20s. Anyway, I was looking yesterday, I was like, they look a little bit like more beading around the edge of the actual rim. Anyway, I've got 235 30/20s on the front with 245s on the back, which doesn't really make much of a difference, to be honest. And if anything, it's better because they did have a little tiny catch and scrub and full lock on bumps on the driver's side, and it's not doing that anymore. But I can't alternate wheels now to each axle because you know you need to have the same size tyre profile. But yeah, I was worried about having Yankangs again, but there must be a later version or something because these actually do grip and they grip in the wet. I don't want to give it too much power right now because I don't want to tube the insides of these tyres up. But after I have it done, I'll be diverting back through Mexico and I'll see if we get some wide open throttle. I'm not sure what this video's about yet, so I'm on my way to the body shop, maybe get some Etype clips. Who knows, we'll see. Maybe it's about something else. But I'll see you shortly.
12 seconds later.
Here I ENS, there's my boys, check them out. Okay, so we have a straight steering wheel. So big thanks out to the guys. Thanks Tony S, they flame we can do it. Good to catch up with you, Shane. But yeah, look at that. Not rolled in. But steering's nice and straight, the car's not pulling anywhere. It feels nice and tight on the front end, which is great. I need to get one of the camber adjustment bolts off on the back still, grind it off, and they've said just take it back down and they'll redo it for me. 25 quid, absolutely amazing, four-wheel alignment. Obviously the camber on the back of mine isn't the best, but he said it came out okay. I need to get myself a tyre on the rear side because it was already wearing. It was off the front when Matthew had his wheels on his car, so it's on the back of mine now. I want to swap that out, and they're going to order me a tyre. But yeah, the car will be like brand new second hand then, as they say. But yeah, we're about to get to the garage now and see what Matt's doing, shall we? So yeah, we're at the body shop now, as per on a Tuesday. Etype. Let's have a quick look around here, see what Matthew's been doing in my absence. Do you remember last time the front and the whole nose cone was done? It was all put in a top stop filler. He's now done the sides. Let's reduce this down. The rear quarters are done. Let's have a look, shall we? This section's all been done. All around here is done. And all around here. Which only means one thing. We're ready to get onto this now with a DA and then a block. Fingers crossed we might get some clips of this today. I don't really know what the agenda looks like right now. But yeah, that is going places. And I want to add, okay, one point. When I actually started blogging this, 2 days later, Richard Hammond released that he was blogging one, okay? So stop trying to pinch my views. Hammond, I'm watching you. Also, let's be clear, right? He's on 941,000 views already in like 2.5, 3 weeks. I've got like 200 odd views on my E-Type build. Help me out, somebody. Do you know what I mean? This is going to be a brilliant build and you're actually going to see the work goes into it and it's going to be in real time, not like all this fancy kind of like car SOS is done now, that kind of stuff, okay? This is a proper build, okay? Over a period of time, it shows the blood, sweat and tears that goes into a car from start to finish. FYI, just had a good catch up with Steve. Steve is the owner of his car and we're just discussing right now. So we have used 1 tub of filler as the base on the car, doing like the ingresses and the damage and stuff to pull them out. Then Matthew has used 3 whole tubs of filler on the front end and 2 tubs of filler on the back end. So far we're on 6 tubs of filler I'll put in here a picture of the filler so you can represent the size and just realise how much goes in there. And do you know what? 5 probably tubs of that comes back off, but it's about getting it straight.
Hours later.
Okay, so we have just freshened up with 70 pounds worth of super unleaded. Just want to say, out of 70 pounds super unleaded, I am likely to get approximately 220 miles back and forth the streets if I was on a motorway usage around the 300 mark, okay? I should be speaking up, sorry, because you probably can't hear me over this big bean tin on the back. But yeah, I said that I was going to see what the tyres are like in this weather. It's been raining, so hopefully it will give a bit of a true reconciliation of what I'm actually dealing with. Let's have a nose, shall we? And let's hope this GoPro doesn't fall down. Let's go, shall we? Okay, so we've got the window open as well, so you can hear the car. Ready, steady. No power, no traction. And just like that, the cradle fell down, so we lost the recording. Yeah, tyres grip better. They don't grip amazing, but it is really, really wet out. But yeah, they're much, much better than they were. Anyhow, I'm going to have to get back to the Etype because we'll get some footage of the Etype on this video. I don't know if it's going to be predominantly an Etype video, might be a bit of everything, but we'll get it up for you. So next up, I'll see you at the body shop again.
Program to bring you this important message.
Open a friend's car, helping out, getting this ready for engine bay paint and interior paint. Watched up all this now, all the edges, got up to 1 centimetre up to here for the paint the edge, all around here, all in here, around here, all in here, all these areas. Next we're going to do a bit of work on here, scotch all this area up. This is on show, so this needs to be really nice, so I'll be done in 400, all around this edge up here, all the inside then, and hopefully this can see a bit of paint later. I know we only paint the inside today, but we'll go to here and then feather it out. But all this needs filler work on it. I can't leave stuff like this, that's going to have to be sanded out because that's just going to be messy. So I'll 80 that, then I'll 240 it, and then I'll 400 it. 400 on this area, this on show. So the idea is that we've got this soft edge, the flappy edge, with back mask, so once we've painted all the inside then, it's going to be feathered out lightly before we start the outside end of the vehicle. But yeah, we're all masked up now, ready to do the tunnel and stuff, blank that off. But yeah, it's coming. So yeah. Can you guess where it is yet? Start the panel and get some dust out there. Blow it over again. Dust loves to settle. I'm going to use a tack rag tyres will be on show, just to make sure there's no dust settling on the car. Warm up the X-Primer.
12 seconds later.
Any broken edges, anywhere like this, anything that's showing any previous corrosion, to receive primer. Don't go mental, dust it on. You go back and give it another coat. So there we are, all the bare metal or breaks through in the paint. So those have all been etch primed. Fair bit of work. My back is killing. I've got to laugh. You see these people painting cars with rattle cans? Well, no fool you. Oh yeah, colour change actually, so it's no longer going to be yellow. There we have it. Red little rocket. So yeah, it's come out half decent, isn't it? One more little coat now. The gentleman didn't really bother about having the inside painted, but because the car's having a colour change, seems the right thing to do, doesn't it?